All right, darling. Here we go. This color is called Anvil. Sahara, Wrangler. Got your off-road tires. A little bit of a lift. Gorgeous Jeep. Priced right. I think she would really like this one. Got the leather. Got power windows and locks, which, as I'm sure you're aware, is an option on Wrangler. Got the stereo, aftermarket stereo, heated seats, power mirrors. Great condition. Got your subwoofer, aftermarket mats, or all weather mats. Oh! Remote start. Auto dimming rear view mirror for shorties like me.
Limited time offer at participating locations. Fire us up, we donate a minute.
Alrighty then. So here it is. This is your hill descent control. This is your traction control. You actually have an outlet in here just like you have in your home. So when y'all go camping or somewhere, she can blow dry her hair. Yay! 130 miles. Perfect.